All right, check this out, guys. These are charged already, so they're fully charged. We got the blue light going. These are actually 25 volts solar panel lights. If you guys see solar fog lights, that's what they are, right? You got plenty of LED lights. They have the built-in batteries, waterproof, water resistance, and on top of that, we got the plate itself here, the solar panel. So it comes with the actual screws and the actual panels display system, so you can actually move it around and work with it too. So now, great thing is about it that this actually works day to night. In fact, I'm gonna go ahead and close it up. I'm gonna put a little piece of wood, and if you guys can see, there's one right there going on right now, and there's the other one coming on. So, and it kicks in. There's two modes. It kicks the first mode and it kicks the other one. So I just blocking it out right now. We're gonna set it up so you guys can see how it looks like in the darkness. All right, guys, look how dark it is. So I'm gonna turn them on remotely. You guys can see it actually lights up really well. This room is completely dark in here. I brought him purposely in here. And of course, you can mess with the actual hours. You could set up to wireless hours and 6 hours, 2 hours, 3 hours, 6 hours, and then auto. We're gonna put an auto. So once you kick auto, they automatically program in auto, right? So right now we have them, and you can control them. You can turn them off if you want them. Turn them off one by one. You can do one at a time or both at the same time. Very simple. One right there. And this is, the lumens are super high. So we're gonna go ahead and turn them on. You guys can see that. It's lighting up this entire room. Is super dark. I brought him here purposely to see how it is. You get a little lighting going on. These are night to day mode. They are automatically turned on. Like I said, easy to control. You could do them auto, you could change them. The control is very simple to understand. 2 AAA batteries are included with the control. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and you could do it one at a time if you want. Look at that, one at a time, or both at a time if you want in the center. And these are gonna be away from each other. It's perfect. You could turn one if you don't need both of them, right? So if you want both, you could do both too. So there you go. So they do have IR. Each one has a separate IR, so you could control them too. A great thing, you can do this, and we have done this before. Take them outdoors, take them camping with you if you want to light your campground. Not only that, if you want to put it in an RV, you can set this up in an RV. Very simple, easy to use. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.